Hey guys, welcome to my channel, The Nicholas Experience. Today I'm going to be building a domino setup, but using H5 domino creations, regular and neon as well. These are the coolest dominoes ever. If you haven't seen one of my H5 domino creations reviews, I'll leave the link down below in the description below to see those two. Without any further ado, here is the time lapse. Okay, now it's done. Now let's knock this down. In 3, 2, 1, go! Woohoo! It worked! Finally! It worked! Yes! On this second trick, I'm going to be showing you how to build an amazing E-letter circle-shaped domino structure. I did this yesterday, I think 2 days ago, and it worked perfectly without a single fail. Like, I did not see any stops there. I did not see any things fall by accident. So I'm going to be showing you how to build that. I'm going to clear this off away using some magic. Okay, so now it's clean. Now it's time for the tutorial. Okay, so step number 1, grab some dominoes. It can be any ones or the ones that I have right now. Second, trace out or make a circle. I'm just going to be building one right now. So let's run the time lapse. Let's see it in action in 3, 2, 1, go! Woohoo! It worked again! So the first trick I'm going to be teaching you is the lever trick. So take a domino, I'm using neon orange, and place it flat on the ground. Then take another domino and then place it, but make sure that it's offset, otherwise it's not going to work like for this. Let's say that you have say that my hand is the floor. I place a domino right here and then I grab another domino right here. If it's like this way, it will push the domino like this way, causing this one to go like that. And that can happen by using either a structure or by a normal domino. This is how it falls. Okay. This is how it falls. Yep. That's the most simplest trick ever. This is called the flipping trick. Now the flipping trick can actually flip dominoes in the direction that you want the dominoes to go. Like say I want the dominoes to go this way. I have to build the trick in that direction in order for it to go that way. So let's start off. First, the trick in order to build it actually has to come from the phases technique. Now to build that, you have to grab one domino flat on the ground and take another domino. This is similar to our previous trick, except it uses more dominoes than the lever technique. Okay, and then place a domino like this but make sure not to do it like this, otherwise it's not going to hit it. Like this, it's not going to hit it, right? So you have to have the domino kind of like this way in order to hit it like that. Now, here comes the tricky part. You're going to have to place a domino like this, and then place 2 dominoes on the side like this. And then here comes the most difficult part. Place a domino right here, and then basically this is what is going to happen. It might fail, so you have to try this a couple of times, but I'm pretty sure mine is going to work. So here we go. Yes, it worked. So that is the 2 techniques of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.